here. Into that space. Opening up into the hip blades. Oh, good. Now I want you to fold and bend. Sheet of paper. Good. Good. The spine is really responding to the foundation, the groundwork that we've laid. I want you to take time to explore the playlist, okay? Particularly start with Prasarita, getting into our Prasarita ground standing, okay? So this way we are not in the neck ball, but we are in the upper chest area. So to try, we try to begin in down dog. Come down, and then lift off. Requires major muscle group strength. And just play here, hip raise, very much involved. That's right, trying to open up into hip strength, because when our hips are tight, our mobility also gets limited, okay? You want to flow with limitations in our mobility around the spine, okay? Good. So now we're going to come to Prasarita. We're going to start to just give you a nice shot here. Now, important the sitting hold, you throw that to the back of the room and it gets nice and anchored. The crown of our head will touch down eventually. And we do so where we can lift off, okay? Good. Beautiful. Lift it back. Pose of a child. Here. Oh, beautiful. Pull it out to the neck ball and upper chest area. Tap the elbows and back. Good. And then come out. As you do so, try to get and lift up. Get into vacuum pose. Really feel like you're zipping up into the vacuum pose. Good. Let's try to stay centered here on the mat as much as possible. So that we are rooted and properly anchored, okay? Good. And that we're in the frame properly. Get to that space where you come into lift up without wobbling too much, okay? And that usually comes from uncentering our mind, okay? Good. Collect our mind back here on the mat. And we stay grounded and rooted. Good. Staying grounded and rooted. Prasarita sitting on the back of the room. Come up slowly. Into wheeler. Good. Now, as we're coming into bridge pose, elevate the chest, lift up the tailbone all the way up to the crown of our heads. Good. And then back and down. Good. Now we're going to do our side body back flips. face into wheel. Now, normally we do it in tripod, but today we're going to do it in handstands, okay? Or shoulder stands. Now, you can start in crow pose, Bakasana, or you can do it from down dog. I want you to bend like a sheet of paper, down, wheel. Good. Come down. Now we do it on the second side. Now that champagne fizz sensation that is going on in the body, those are the endorphins, central nervous system, endocrine system activation. Really good. In the first class, we did it through from down dog. Today, now we're going to try it from crow, Bakasana, back flip, wheel, coming down into bridge. Vacuum pose, tighten the core, hold in the core, breathe. Yes. Now, we might come to our wheel pose. Elevate and back and down. Good. Now really try recline pigeon here. Beautiful. Side. Now, coming into happy baby. Withdraw some money. Open up the hips. Nice strong abs. Good. So now we're going to enter into our fish pose. Coming to fish with me. Oh, beautiful. Knee rotation, foot rotation, as well as some shoulder blades rotation here. Feel the hamstring with a nice lift, the pelvis. You just stay slipping 3 breaths here in fish pose. 1. Oh, beautiful. Nice long, luxurious breaths. 2. Breathe out the carbon dioxide to relax cerulean blue, light blue color. Turquoise. Breathe in golden air. Good prana. Good. With a send out positive, loving, healing energy to everyone that we're going to encounter throughout our day to day. Bless them as they go their way. And just flow with the biosphere. We're also going to give love to the biosphere today. Take time to breathe in that scent of the flowers, the trees, the bloom, the shade, and just keep watching things. We're going to close here. If you liked this video, you watched this far, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave your thoughts and comment down below. I absolutely love you for watching, and I'll see you on the next upload. Namaste.
forward. Stay grounded.